Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to rebuild a city in SimCity. First, carefully assess your current city's issues, such as persistent traffic jams, high pollution levels, or widespread unhappiness among your Sims. Identify the root causes of these problems. Next, begin the demolition process. Systematically remove old, inefficient zones, roads, and utilities that are contributing to the decline. This clears valuable space for your new, improved urban design. Think of it as a fresh canvas for your architectural vision. With your canvas clear, it's time to lay down the essential infrastructure. Start by designing an efficient road network, perhaps incorporating avenues and mass transit options to prevent future congestion. Next, strategically place your power plants, water pumps, and sewage treatment facilities. Ensure these utilities have sufficient capacity to support a growing population and are connected to all areas you plan to develop. Proper infrastructure is the backbone of any thriving city, so take your time here. Now, let's focus on zoning. Carefully designate areas for residential, commercial, and industrial development, aiming for a balanced distribution that meets your Sim's demands. Residential zones need access to jobs and shops, while industrial zones require good transport links. Don't forget to consider city specializations. For example, a city focused on electronics might require specific industrial zones and a well-educated workforce. Strategic zoning is key to a prosperous and functional urban environment. Finally, ensure your city provides excellent public services. Place police stations, fire departments, and hospitals strategically to cover all residential and commercial areas. Invest in education by building schools and universities to cultivate a skilled workforce, which attracts higher-tech industries. Continuously monitor your city's budget and your Sim's happiness levels. Adjust policies and services as needed to foster sustainable growth and create a truly desirable place for your Sims to live and work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.